So by the way, this test tone is gikan ni siya from reliable nga test tone yun nga for audio 5.1 basic setup is from Fraunhofer. So mo na siyang nag-develop sa kaning audio setup. So let's try to play and hopefully discrete audio setup or audio codec ang ma-play niya. So let's play. So comparing it physically sa ato ang Denon, unfortunately guba na gid siya, no. So mas dako na siyang concert chassis. Okay, it's maybe because na siya mga additional pang inputs, and also sa side profile mas dako gid siya. Ano lang ato sa i-test kung sa magani. Okay, so mo na yung setup karon. Na hook up na nato tanan speakers and for a basic 5.1 nya setup, no. So ako lang i-recall, for a basic 5.1 setup you have to have 5 channel speakers and 1 subwoofer para nga maka-experience ka og immersive 5.1 movies, especially karon sa mga streaming na to nga mga apps. Most of the streaming audio nga naa karon, sample Netflix and other downloadable nga mga movies, basically ang audio codec ana niya is at least a 5.1 setup. So para ma-experience nimo at home kung unsa na pasabot or unsa ang 5.1 audio codec, kinahanglan ka og inani nga speaker setup. So na-hook up na nato ang receiver, kaning concert na digital movie music receiver nga 5.2 channels. So muna ni ang iyang connection at the back. So ang importante ani is this one. So kani siya makita ninyo. So this is the optical audio out gikan sa ato ang TV, which is by the way a Samsung. So i-feed na nato siya dire sa iyang optical input. So I hope kita. Okay, so mo click na siya. So 5.1 optical input, and mo na siya atong channel speaker outputs. As much as possible, if you can use banana plugs, kung banana type ang speaker output, much better para limpyo siya. And for the setup, mo na no. So medyo mixed up ni siya nga speaker system because some of the speakers is salvage lang from other units nga wala na nagamit, no. So dirita, so sa front speakers we have the crown speakers, this one. These are floor standing speakers, front, left and right. And for the center channel, we have here at the back, medyo di kay siya masusud sa babaw. So natay LG center channel, and at the rear surround, this one ato lang ning gigamit from salvage na to nga speaker setup. So natay LG floor standing HT in a box speakers. So muna yung surround right, same way there sa Picas. So kanang speaker is the surround left, and of course salvage gyapon, medyo gitaya na ni siya. O siguro in the near future natay a chance na maka-upgrade. So nato diri ang LG passive subwoofer, which is connected siya sa passive na to slot. Okay, so let's try to turn this thing on. And by the way, no, nindot siya kay nasa siya remote, which is you can also control all the functions sa receiver from this remote. Okay, so temporary lang sa turn on na to ang unit. Okay, so before nato i-turn on, lang sa kundi i-remove ang kaniyang plastic cover sa iyang display. Okay, what if kung dili na siya mo function as expected, mauli gid siya. Okay, so turn on na to. Wala pa din naka-turn on ang plug, main plug. So, nari. So, naka-on ang main plug. Try to turn on the unit. Okay, concert. The better choice. Hopefully. Okay, so muna yung mga input. So, optical, volume controls there. So, nadri yung input button. So, coax, AC3, auxiliary TV, video player, DVD, CD, USB, kay saksak diri na USB, Bluetooth, so capable din siya Bluetooth, HDMI 1, 2, 3, and lastly optical. Okay, so to test na to kung 5.1 gini siya. So I have here an application sa TV which is Plex Media Server. So sa atong libraries na ata diri test tones for our AV system. So wala itong gamiton pag test. So try to set the volume at around 35 siguro. So 35. Okay, so test AV system. So by the way, this test tone is gikan ni siya from reliable nga test tone yun nga for audio 5.1 basic setup is from Fraunhofer. So mo na siyang nag-develop sa kaning audio setup. So let's try to play and hopefully discrete audio setup or audio codec ang ma-play niya. Go, so let's play.
Front left,
Front left, front center, front right, left surround, subwoofer.
You've been listening to the Fraunhofer HEAAC audio codec, operating at a bitrate of 160 kilobits per second for 5.1 channels.
Okay. Woohoo! So, success. So, success siya mga George. Okay, so with this, I may have found the cheapest basic 5.1 audio receiver sa online market. So this is the third time. So third time is a charm. So, sama. So hopefully kani magdugay na siya and we'll have different test scenarios for this, especially in watching movies. So this came about mong kay naguba man atong karaan, and I really miss the immersive movie experience at home. So mo na siya gitawag og home theater. Okay, so in the next coming videos, we'll try to test also some of the inputs from Bluetooth. We'll do also some karaoke since na siya microphone input. Okay, so far this is the, I think, the best budget home theater receiver na available online. So highly recommended, no? So this is the Concert AR 1002 D+ na audio video receiver. Okay, so ato na siyang i-fix dito sa iyang final position, and let's do a little bit of more test. Okay, so na-set up na nato siya, and eventually in the next coming days we will try to do different tests from Bluetooth. Wala ko kakita if there's an available ARC connectivity, but important thing, if you going to do a 5.1 setup, see to it na siya available na optical output from your player. It could be gikan sa imong TV or gikan sa imong Android TV box. So importante na siya because the 5.1 optical audio input is the very important factor for you to have an immersive 5.1 home movie theater experience. Okay, so ayos. So lahat yung mga movie streaming available. This is by a local server lang and home network. So we'll try to do some test runs and test audio and see kung okay ba siya. The only downside lang sa kaning audio video receiver system is wala siya auto test configuration. We'll just plug in a microphone and everything will be set up by the system. You have to do it manually. So anyway, di man ka mag-problema kay based sa yung remote, there are available volume controls in each of the separate channels, including volume bass, treble for that matter, and the subwoofer adjustment, could it be active or passive subwoofer. Okay, so if you like contents like this, maybe subscribe and follow, or like this video for that matter, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, thank you.
Red Bull, Ferrari, Mercedes, Aston, now McLaren, all have a speed on the straights. Our shop is battling at the turns. We need to build our car for combat.
How am I supposed to make that safe?
Who said anything about safe?
Okay, no? So based sa atong mga final tests and setups, this video could not justify the immersive feel na imong batian if you would set this up by yourself. Okay, so better set this thing up by yourself for you to have an immersive movie home theater experience sa balay. So once na kay ani, I doubt kung magtubo ba ka og sinihan because cinema is kinahanglan ka mo adto, but here you have to bring the cinema to your home for home theater experience in the house. Okay, so far so good. So kudos to Concert Philippines for this one. So this is the only audio, music, video, movies receiver nga nakita nako sa online nga okay po ang ilahang feedback on sa mga queries nimo. So maybe I link them down on the description below on their Facebook page, on their online shop. Okay, so Concert AD1002 D+ audio video receiver. Okay, nice.